guys, as you can see, I haven't unlocked Amy yet, and I'll be showing you and trying to get her today. So here we go. So firstly, if you can't jump up into that, there's a whole different thing you could do. Oh, and make sure not to run into those moving snowmen. They hurt you. Also, I got this idea from ChatGPT. So if it works, I'm going to ChatGPT of this. Oops. You might have to run into some snowmen to get that one. Of course, it always happens. Move! Here we go. And if you want some extra coins, I recommend you go like this. If you're at this point and you still haven't gotten any. I'm playing this girl, but I recommend you to play as Alex or anyone. Ugh. Thanks, if you haven't found the second thing, it's okay. Because at the same point, you only have like 40 something. Now we have to go to the next level, 4 to 3, to get the key. Oh, that's so cute! Ah! Never mind! This is scary! Really scary. Okay, I haven't done this before, but we can try. So, if you see this, we might have to collect the key from... Now I You guys have to be Alex! He's a very strong guy. And then you have to be Brutus, but you get my point. You have to break the brick. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Sorry, I killed your man. So continue jumping, as it's your life's desire. Maybe it is your life's desire to jump. There, we got it. So we have Oops, you did not. Did you just see what happened? Girl, we got this. Ah. Never mind, you don't got this. Your speed is insanely fast. So I finally got the key, and what now you have to do is just run. Okay guys, so now we can go back to Amy, and we can play as the Alex of Obviously. Now we can go talk to Amy. It's a bit chilly up here. Woohoo! Where'd she go? So I think we can finally unlock her. Don't mind me not. Oh, Amy. Let's play as her. Gotta be careful not to... Hello, right there.